Officer, can I sit on your lap?
What did you just say?
I mean, your laptop, officer. Why do you always think about romance? You're not my type.
Can you compliment me just once?
Sure. You're very good at being old.
That's not a compliment.
It is. Most people your age are dead. You're an overachiever.
Oh my goodness.
Hello, beautiful. You're single?
Maybe. Are you asking me out?
First class seat, first class lady. What time do you get off?
In about 3 hours. Why?
3 hours? I'm worth at least a 5-hour date, sweetheart. You look beautiful, lady.
So cute. Can I take you home?
What's your salary?
I make about $50,000 a year.
50,000? I eat more expensive than you earn.
You're so handsome. Want to be